Welcome to yet another session of data engineering. So today we're going to discuss about the different data storages used in the data engineering. So what is data storage in data engineering? So in data engineering, data storage refers to how raw, processed and transformed data is stored and managed efficiently for analytics and machine learning and business applications. So if you store the data properly and we have to use it, we have to fetch it for the different purposes. So today the type of data storages we used in the data engineering is relational database, nothing but a databases we widely use the SQL based databases. Second is the NoSQL databases, which is nothing but we don't use the SQL but we use uh, uh, different key methods to fetch the data, that is NoSQL database. It will be another name is it is called as a document databases also. So next is the data warehouse. So data warehouse is we have to store all the entire data from the where it will act as a store our entire data. It will have all the type of data, historical data for the decision making system, that is data warehouses. Relational database is mainly used for the online transaction processing, and data warehouse is used for the online analytical processing. The online transaction processing means we have to do bank, the ATM or anything. We do the one-to-one transaction is called the online transaction. It will be single record will be processed, but the data warehouse is mainly used for the analytical purpose. That is bulk record processing. So it will be mainly used for the data reporting as well as that decision making systems it will be used. Next is the data lakes. Data lake is nothing but don't go for the technical meaning, you go to the literal meaning. Any lake, if you go there will be, if you go to visit any lake, it will contains of water and different funguses will be there. There is a water plant will be there, surrounded by some plants will be there, then different fishes will be there, some watering insects will be there, some water birds. So like the data lakes contains all the type of data. It will have a structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data, everything will be available. That is data lake. So next is the object storage. Object storage is we wanted to store only the unstructured data or objects. Objects is nothing but any data is called as objects only. So it is not, it is a, we can say that is a raw data. So if you wanted to store any photo or any video, it is stored as a one called object storage. File storage is if you keep some of the files like a document or a PDF or anything, if you wanted to store, we can store it in a raw method. It may not be both object storage and file storage, the data may not be organized. But the data warehouse, NoSQL databases and relation databases, it will be organized method, so the data will be stored. So these are the different type of storage we are using in data warehouse, data engineering. So what is the advantages and key differences with the data storages? So my first one is that factor is that nothing but a data type. Next is how the data it will be. Data warehouse will be store the structured data. Data lakes have structured and unstructured data. NoSQL only semi-structured data like JSON or something. SQL databases have only structured data, nothing but a relational databases. How the query speed will be there? So in data warehouses it will be very fast because it's a MPPUs that massive parallel processing, so it will be very fast. Data lakes will be very slow because the data may not be organized properly, so the data retrieval will be very slow. In NoSQL it will be depends on the data volumes and other stuff. It will be moderate, it may not be fast, it will not be so slow. SQL databases or relational databases are also very fast because otherwise it will be match the transaction, online transaction speed. Next is the storage cost. Data warehouse, yes, that will be a huge storage cost you have to spend. Data lakes, like any object storages, file storages, we can use it for the data lakes, so it may not be the cost is very low. NoSQL, it will be moderate cost will be there, it may not be much costlier. So relational database, the cost is very high. Best for what is the what is it suits for data warehouse is used for the analytical, nothing but decision making support systems it will be used. Data lakes is for big data and AI and ML. For this purpose, we can use it. NoSQL will be used IoT and logs, IoT data, whatever the CCTV or any footages or logs from the different digital twins systems. So it will be stored under IoT logs will be stored here. So that is another one. With SQL databases, it will be the transaction data will be stored here. So these are the data storages, different data storages method. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubt or any clarifications, please feed your comment. We will take it up in the next session, future sessions. Thank you so much for watching this one. If you like the video, please recommend it with your friends, and please subscribe and like your video also. Thank you so much. Bye.